I'm going to be explaining factoring by grouping, and this is the equation right here. It's 4ab plus 28a minus 3b minus 21. First we're going to want to group them up, so I'm going to split it like right there, and we'll just work on these two right here. So we'll split it up. We'll do 4a parentheses b, because once you multiply you distribute. So when you multiply 4a times b, you get 4ab, and then you have to add 7 right here. Boom. So that's your first. This equation right here equals the top one. Now let's do the right side. It will be minus 3 multiplied by b minus 7. So there's two common factors right there, the b plus 7. So those will factor out. What you want to do is it'll factor out, so it'll be b plus 7. And then what you have left is the negative 3 and the 4a. So we'll do the b plus 7 in parentheses times 4a minus 3. And then we are basically done. So yeah, once you distribute this and this, and this and this, you'll get the top one right here. Sorry. And then you distribute that, and you basically go backwards, and you get the top one, what you first started with.